Being stuck at home in an urban area, you really have to rely on your own resources to keep yourself entertained. I have watched countless movies, did a lot of Google diving, grabbed my ukulele more than usual. I also did a lot of cloud watching. My dog is into it too. I think I even learned how to speak their language. Normally, this is how the majority would like to spend their weekends. Only now, we have been doing this on a daily basis. Minutes started to feel like hours, weeks felt like months. Slowly, it got boring. This has been going on for too long. If I can't leave, I'm going to make an adventure out of this place. Is it filming?
Yep.
Okay. We are in the streets of Kapasigan, Pasig City, and today we are gonna go stay here. Kapasigan is a barangay or a district in Pasig City which is fairly small in size, but it's really established with loads of businesses and residential areas. For your clothing needs, we have Fashion Circle and a few boutiques. If you're building a house, there's a lot of hardware and furniture stores. There's different banks, fast food restaurants, a place where you can go grocery shopping, a mini palengke. We also have a church, a place for college, and just right beside it, a hospital. We even have our own version of Big Ben. I swear, if you live here in Kapasigan, Pasig, you really don't have to leave the barangay at all because everything that you need is here. Right, so the reason why I really wanted to film this video is because I really wanted to show you an out-of-city experience, and I've been thinking about this place. Oh my God, how's the temple?
Yeah.
Opo. People go on this boat for a fee of 5 pesos each, one way, to go to a different barangay. This is Kapasigan, right here. And then you cross for 5 pesos to Bagong Ilog. This is Bagong Ilog, Charles. Yep. Yeah, boy. Nag-aano kayo? Tawid lang or...
Pwede rin yun, ako doon niya, wala naman. Wala.
Ah. Ay, tara doon. Kano yung bayad doon? This is Rotonda, the Rotonda Bridge. For the next out of the city experience, we headed to the bank of the river.
Are you just gonna go until there? I can't go there.
City is dubbed as the Green City. But actually, I don't know if it's dubbed as the Green City or Pasig decided to call the city as a Green City. But we do have a lot of plants here. But I never expected that we will see crops like such as these. Right here, I think we have some chilies, and this one, I think, what is this? A pechay? Pechay bagyo? I don't know. Cabbage. Are those cabbages? Bananas.
Here.
This one, I think this is a guava tree, but I'm not sure. I'm just really saying things that I don't know about. And look, there's like small eggplant. Ano po to? Upo? That's okra. Right there. Ito po gabi. Ito po yung pag binasa ng tubig, hindi nababasa. Ate gave me free okra. And she's about to give me free kangkong. So much okra. Wait, here it is like this. Ito po, ano po to? Bayabas? Ay, ano yun? Ano yun? Kawate? Is that squash? Pumpkin? Kalabasa?
Kawatoy.
Kalabasa. I'm a farmer girl.
Ayun pa, oh.
Kalabasa. Wala kayong ate kamyas?
Ay, wala akong kami.
Oo.
Wala kang palaya.
Ayun naman din.
May bunga. Wow. Si ate gave me stuff like kangkong and okra. It's really nice. Now we're going back to where we came from. We actually came from there. And then we have to go near the river.
And that is it for the out of the city experience that we can do here in Kapasigan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all again next time.